Hey everyone, did you know that you could actually join AdSense without having a website or a YouTube channel? Now, I know this was possible in the past. People were, putting AdSense code everywhere. They were putting it over on Facebook. They were trying to figure out how to incorporate social media. But it was my understanding actually that Google had cracked down on all of that and you had to have a website. And I was aware that you could get AdSense up on like a Blogger blog and these other properties that were associated with YouTube, but I honestly didn't realize that there was a way to actually to start making money with AdSense if you didn't actually have a website of your own to install the code. I also want to point out that my studio today looks a little bit more like it normally does. I do have kids, and most of the time what I do is pretend that I don't while I'm making these videos, and I take all this stuff and I just shove it like over there so you can't see it. So I put it over there and I put it over there, and then you have no idea that I have 3 small children that run around and destroy my house all the time. And today I just didn't feel like making the effort of hiding the fact that I have children. So this is a studio, this is what it looks like, and here we go. So what are we talking about today? I'm going to jump into the computer, and that's why I'm no longer looking at the screen. And I'm going to show you Hubpages. Now, what you're looking at right here is a really boring screen because today, about 15 minutes ago, I signed up for a free Hubpages account. You say, well, what is Hubpages? Like, what is this thing? And it's a bit like Medium, right? It's user-generated content. So you create a free account, and then you have the freedom and ability to make a blog post and insert pictures and then post it and try to gain a following. And you see people doing this on Quora, and they put links in their content to try to build their brands and try to generate content to or traffic to other web pages. But the difference as far as Hubpages go versus Quora is that you can actually monetize Hubpages, which I don't believe that you can do with Quora unless you are accepted into the Quora Partner Program. Hubpages is a massive website that's full of user-generated content. The user creates the content and then submits it for editorial review, and if it is approved, then it gets published. Now, I think originally it was one giant like global website, but I'm going to scroll down, and that's why you're looking at this really boring like meaningless screen, is that you can see here on their network, they've broken down into a bunch of various niche sites. For example, the Calorie Bee website, niche part of this is the diet and exercise site. And so if you are a content creator for Hubpages, presumably you can end up having your content featured on these other niche pages. But what's interesting about this is that you can actually monetize your content on Hubpages and these various niche sites through Amazon Associates, through affiliate links, and with AdSense. It looks like there are 2 different programs that enable you to earn from Amazon products in what they call your hubs. I think your hubs are your posts or your content or your pages through Amazon Associates and the Hubpages Amazon program. So I think you have to apply to the specific Hubpages earnings program. But you could also have your own separate Amazon Associates account. And then another way to do it is to apply for your own initial Google AdSense account through Hubpages, which I did not know was an option. So if you don't have a website of your own, you don't have your own domain, you don't have your own hosting, you don't have your own sort of online piece of property that you want to set up AdSense on, you can actually do it through Hubpages. Now the thing is, when you have an AdSense account through Hubpages, you aren't going to have the freedom that you would with your own AdSense account and your own website. It looks like Hubpages has and retains a lot of control over where the ads can go in your content that you create. And they also have some restrictions on what you can earn from and what you cannot earn from. For example, I think you can have up to 8 ads on a hub page, but you can only earn from, I think, 50% of those. Another way to earn potentially is through contests. Apparently there are Hubpages contests, and they do occasionally pay out cash prizes. Is so long as you have a PayPal account. You don't have to have Amazon Associates or AdSense to be able to participate in the contest. What I'm doing now is looking at an article that I found on Axel Addict, which is one of the niche sites that are associated with Hubpages, and I'm just going to scroll down and look for what the ad options are. So you see here that there is an ad block in the sidebar that's not sticky, and here is an ad block that is sticky as you scroll, and then going down, going down, going down, going down. And here's another ad block here that's in line. and another ad block here on the bottom, and one here in the comments, and another in the comments. So it looked like, so I've seen at least 5 or 6 ads on this page. So why did I decide to create this video about Hubpages, right? I'm not personally creating content on Hubpages, so I can't report back to you with my own personal experience that this is a great place to earn money. However, I do see a lot of potential in this type of setup for someone who is brand new to this whole idea of creating content, who is intimidated by setting up their own blog or doesn't want to deal with the hosting or the maintenance of their own website. I don't honestly know how much money can be made through Hubpages, but I have to suspect, just like anything that you do online, that if you wanted to make a decent amount of money doing this, that you would have to devote a decent amount of time and effort to build your own sort of fan base and build up a whole bunch of content and really try to generate some momentum before it is something that will become very lucrative for you. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. But before you go, please do me the favor of hitting that like button wherever it is on your screen and going down and leaving me a comment and letting me know, and the other people who see this video, have you tried Hubpages? Did you manage to get any sort of momentum on it or following? Were you able to monetize it or make any money whatsoever with AdSense or Amazon affiliates? I would really love to know more about this platform and if it is truly a good place for beginners to go who are looking to get started making money with AdSense or Amazon affiliates. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.